Hello everyone, myself Supriya Rai. In this session, we are going to study chapter number 2 of class 4, My Extended Family. In this chapter, we will cover the following topic: extended family, family gathering, tradition and customs, values we learn from family. Extended family. We all know that family, which includes a blood relatives, parents, grandparents, uncle, aunt, cousins, and possibly the spouses, are known as extended family. Extended family do not live together. They only come together on a special occasion, holidays, etc. You can understand the extended family by this picture also. Here you can see extended family means the family equals to maternal plus paternal family. Maternal family means the family who belongs from your mother's side. Means your nana nani, mosi, mosa, mama mami, and the paternal family belongs to your father's side, like your dada dadi, tayaji taiji, chacha chachi, and so on. Extended family always meet on a family gathering. They do not live together, but they always meet on a family gathering. Family gathering is a time of fun and joy. Some common gathering in which all the family members come and meet together with each other are Holi, Diwali, weddings, and birthdays. There are some tradition and customs in every family. What is custom and what is tradition? Custom is a usage or a practice common to many or to a particular place or a group of people. It means that custom is followed sometimes by a one person or by a particular family. It's not come from generation by generation. We can also create it. But when we talk about tradition, tradition is the custom which is followed by generation to generation and it being passing on. Any custom can be created newly, but tradition always passes from year to year. Customs can be turned into the tradition, but tradition will always be the tradition by following generation to generation. Some common tradition in India: greeting. Whenever someone comes at our home, we do namaste. Second, fasting. You have seen your mother are doing fasting on different occasions. Food. In India, there are a lot of festivals in which special food are cooked, just like on Holi we made gujiyas. Symbols. There are some symbolic representation by every different occasions and every different special functions in different cultures and religions. Values we learn from our family. There are so many values we learn from our family. Among them, some of them I have mentioned here. Greet and respect our elders always. Take care of your young ones. Help your grandparents. Develop a polite nature in you. always welcome, respect, and entertain the guest. And most important, that you have to take permission before doing anything. I hope you have understood this session. After that, you have to do two activities. You must prepare a chart stating the values you learn from your family. For this, you have to must talk to your parents, and you also have to think what are the values you learn from your family. Second, you have to talk to your friend that on what special occasions all members together in his family to celebrate. If any queries related to this session, you can leave your questions in the comment section. Thank you.